On June 4th, the Acolyte was released, sparking intense discussion among fans. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate how you can use talking avatars to remake the Acolyte trailer, enabling you to share engaging Star Wars content on social media. First, to get started, you'll need access to Wondershare Virbo. You can download the app version from the link in the description, or use the online version on the website. For new users, Virbo provides limited exports, so let's give it a try. In today's tutorial, we'll be using the web version of the app. Before we begin remaking the trailer, it's essential to prepare high-quality headshots of the Acolyte characters. We'll upload these photos to the Virbo Talking Photo tool. Then, we'll select the audio script option, upload the trailer file, choose the language, and click Apply. If you want the AI avatar to speak different words, you can type the specific text and choose a voiceover for the talking avatar to lip-sync. Additionally, Virbo offers the option to translate the video into more than 40 languages, allowing you to create a trailer with global appeal. After making the necessary adjustments, click Export and then download the talking avatar video. Let's take a look at the final result.
Someone is killing Jedi. It doesn't make sense. Let me bring her in.
I didn't do it!
And that's it. Now give Wondershare Virbo a try and start sharing your recreated Star Wars content to make it go viral.